Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Today we're going to be making one of our house specials, lamb Rajasthani. So what you need is 2 teaspoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, teaspoon of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of Jalfrezi onions. And I'll show you how to make all these. They will be on the link below on the descriptions. 5-6 pieces of lamb tikka pre-cooked, half a pint of base gravy, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 2 teaspoons of our Desi style mixed powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar. So I've shown you how to make all of these. Like I said, they will be below in the descriptions. So we've got our pan and big spoon, and then we're going to put some oil in. So a couple of teaspoons of oil. About 2.5 I'll put here. Let that just warm up slightly and spread it so nothing sticks on the pan. Then we've got a garlic and ginger paste. You can buy these from supermarkets or you can make your own. I've done the video to show how you can make your own. It doesn't take too long, but like I said, we've always made our own, but you know, I do know shops, normal shops do sell it. Okay, so you want to wait a little bit for the garlic and ginger just to kind of, you know, go a little bit brown, but not too long. And then we've got our tomato puree, again, something I've shown you guys how to do. I think you can buy these as well at the shop. Just kind of mixing it in a little bit now. And then you've got these Jalfrezi onions. You can put them in raw. As a restaurant, we have to caramelise it every day before, so we're a bit quicker on service. I've shown you how to do it. It's just basically spiced onions. So you want to get some onions, you want to get green pepper, red pepper. It's important to get everything in for the colour of the curry. So I've got some onions, and then it's up to you how much you want to put. If you want to put a bit more, if you don't want to, if you're running out of time or you haven't got much time, just put onions and peppers in. That'll be fine. Like I say, we spice it before, so we're a bit more faster. The onions are softer, they're not completely raw. But yeah, like I said, you can do it raw and just let it caramelise in. So you let that cook for a little bit. So once the onions have gone a little bit soft, you can then start putting, you've got your lemon juice. So you've just got our K2C lemon dressing, just around it, to give it that little bit sour taste, and just let that cook in a little bit. Then you've got your sugar, 2 teaspoons, that will give you a sweet taste. Any curry you want to make sweet, you just put sugar. Any curry you want to make slightly sour, you just put lemon juice in. You just want to let that slow gas, just let it cooking nicely. You've got no time pressure at home, whereas in the restaurant we have to do it very quick. Then you've got our Desi style, which is just mixed powder, 2 teaspoons of that. This is where your main flavour is. So you want to make sure you've got enough. Okay. And then put it on slow gas, let it just cooking a little bit. And then you're ready for your lamb tikka. I've put about 5-6 pieces on there, but it's up to you. If you want 9 pieces, 10 pieces, it's entirely up to you. I'm doing a demo, so I might just put 4 actually while I'm doing a demo. That makes no difference to the taste, how much lamb you put in. It's just personal preference, what you want per portion. So you put it on slow gas a little bit, and then you just kind of let the spice infuse into the lamb. You're going to be biting the lamb, so that's where you want your more of your flavour. Okay, so the next step is the base gravy. Rajasthan is quite a dry dish, so you don't want it too saucy, like a korma masala. So you want to put just under half a pint of base gravy. If you put too much, it doesn't matter. Just let it cook longer. It will dry up automatically. So now you're just kind of waiting. Now you're just waiting for it to cook. So you can put it kind of like on full gas. If you've just cooked your pre-cooked lamb, then it's fine, it's cooked. But what you want to, if you've already done your pre-cooked lamb and you've taken it out of the fridge or the freezer, main important thing is let it cook, and then you want to stab it so it's tender. You don't want to serve it out and it's rock hard. It's going to be very chewy. So just, if you've got time, leave it on slow gas, let it do it. If you're in a bit more hurry, put it full gas. Even like that's a bit of a bigger lamb, cut it in half, it will cook faster. So now it's just a bit of a waiting game. Just stirring it occasionally and letting it cook. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're just going to do a little bit of decoration, just a sliced cucumber there. And then we're just going to do a sliced green and red pepper. So there's green, red pepper and a slice of cucumber, just for a little bit of decor on top. So that looks done now. That's bubbling up nicely. That's bubbling up nicely. The lamb's tender, soft. It was just breaking off now. So I've seen a lot of people asking, shall I pre-cook lamb? I would say yeah, because lamb especially is very tender. You know, it's very tough. It needs to be tender. So, you know, pre-cooking it is good. Okay, so this is how we serve it out in the restaurant. So presentation is obviously key. This is just a little bit of salad, which I've shown you how to make. And it'll be on the description, the salad. So we're just going to put a little bit of salad there. You want to get the colours in. We've put a little bit of red pepper, we put a bit of carrot and mainly lettuce on there. So that's just on the side. And then that's bubbled up nicely. So we're just going to now put that in the middle. So don't put it all over. This is if you want to present it like how we do. Or you can just, you know, put it in a bowl. Whatever works for you. But I'm just showing you how, you know, you can make it look better. So if it looks better, it automatically tastes better. If you wanna make your rice a bit more fancy, get a little cup, put the rice in the cup, flatten it so it's quite compact together. Otherwise, the rice is going to fall off. And then, so we flatten the rice. That's gone on here. Now these were the decor I told you earlier. So you've got that. Another sprinkle of coriander, just all over it. And then you can take the cup out. And then we've got these kind of little bits of fried potato, coloured potato. I haven't shown you yet how to do this, but I will do. I will get onto that. So just sprinkle a little bit on top of the rice. Now that looks much better. Imagine if you just put that in a bowl and a rice separately. This is how we present it. Automatically, when people look at this now, they're going to think, wow, this looks good. If it looks good, you're 50–60% the way there of it tasting good. So it's all about presentation. It's all about colours. Look at how much colours we've got going on there. You've got red, yellow, green. You've got the onions there. You've got orange carrots. You've got, you know, there's a lot going on there. So this is lamb Rajasthani.